Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to get my Wi-Fi password in laptop. Chapter 1. How to get my Wi-Fi password in laptop from adapter properties. To start, enter network in the search box. Click on View Network Connections. Now right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and select Status. After this, click on Wireless Properties. Then on the Security tab, check the box, Show Characters. You can see your network password. Chapter 2. How to get my Wi-Fi password in laptop from terminal. To get started, enter CMD in the search box. Click Run as Administrator and click Yes. After that, list the networks, execute the command on the screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Note the network name. Now you are going to execute the command on the screen to see the network key. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.